Jaden, what's in here? No, what's in this? I think there's something in here.
You gotta go in this box. Can you open? Open.
Whoa!
Wow.
What's that?
What is that? Is this? Yeah. Your favorite.
Is there more in here, Jaden? Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Holy rabbit ears. Holy goodies, yeah.
Bubble.
It's actually an egg, but it's kind of like a ball.
Bubble.
What's Mama putting on your head?
Jaden,
Oh, you opened the egg up. Whoa, I think there was... Jaden, look at what was in there.
Look. Oh, thank you. What else is in there?
Yeah, those are little puffs. Mmm.
Yummy. Do you know who sent this to you? I think there's a card, Jaden. Right here. Here.
Jaden, look at the card. The card.
What's it say?
Oh, it's a little baseball mitt. Jaden, look at the card.
What's that? Bubble. Yeah, baseball says grandsons right off the bat. Hope your Easter is a winner, just like you. Go A's. Love you, Grandma and Grandpa. Say thank you. Say thank you. I love you. Say thank you. I love you. They're not in here. We're going to send this to them. Grandma, Grandpa. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
See you later.